How y'all doing out there? Welcome to Clayton Showalter's YouTube channel here. This is the socket clamped in the vise here that we're going to be making the clutch removal tool for the Ryobi chainsaw there. And we have this coffee can with water so we can dump some water on it if it's getting too hot. So we're going to take our angle grinder with our cutoff wheel and start cutting on it there. So thought we'd show you how we're going to cut on it. We're just going to take our time with it so we don't overheat it. That's the number one thing you don't want to do, is overheat it, because these pins right here, they're not going to be very thick. So let's get started. So you all can see that I'm not getting any blue marks, and I can hold my finger on that socket there because I keep doing the water on it there. So just thought I'd show you how I was cutting that there. I hope this helps somebody. You all take care.